Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Naren Vlogs and Tech. Today we're here to quickly unbox and have an overview for the US Polo Men's Duncan 3.0 slip-on walking shoes which I purchased from Amazon for rupees 2024 recently. I got the UK size 10 shoes. The fitting and the sizing for these shoes is pretty standard to your actual footwear, so nothing to worry. Standard plastic wrapper packing by Amazon. Cutting it open with a pair of scissors. Carton box condition looks pretty neat, undamaged. Can pause the video and check the actual MRP and the manufacturing details. The condition looks pretty genuine. These are manufactured by Arvind Fashions Limited, that's the invoice. Opening up the carton box and the wrapper. The outer material construction is mesh based, and the sole is made of EVA material with a slight elevation to support while walking. The mesh material definitely promotes a lot of air circulation and better comfort for wearing for long durations of time. I got these mainly for my office usage. Overall construction is lightweight, very well built, and very eye pleasing in terms of design as well. And I would feel definitely it is worth paying that money. Quite happy with the purchase. That's a close-up look. Having a much better closer look now. Thank you so much for watching. Please support and share the videos, and definitely your valuable feedback is important for us. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.